Okay, now we have a super hard question. You have like several fractions inside the fraction. Uh, Now one way to do this is to just do one by one, and at some point you're going to get the answer. So you see x squared minus 5x plus 6, that factors as x minus 3 times x plus 2, x minus 2, because negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6, and negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. And then you can say that 2x over x squared minus 5x plus 6 plus 4 over x minus 3. This top part is equal to 2x over x minus 3 times x minus 2. So the second one just needs to be multiplied by x minus 2, top and bottom, to get common denominators. Now we have common denominators, we can just put x minus 3, x minus 2, and this would be 4x plus 2x and minus 8. So it will be 6x minus 8 over x minus 3, x minus 2. Now for 1 over x minus 2 plus 4, to add a non-fraction to a fraction, you first need to rewrite 4 as a fraction, 4 over 1. Then you can multiply x minus 2 top and bottom to get common denominators. So you have x minus 2 as a common denominator, and you have 4x minus 8 plus 1, so it'll be 4x minus 7. Okay, once you do all this hard work, then you see that this becomes a division of two fractions. Divided by 4x minus 7 over x minus 2, which becomes 6x minus 8 over x minus 3, x minus 2. And there's the keep, change, flip thingy, which means the denominator gets flipped. You can take the reciprocal, and you get this. And finally, these two cancel, and you end up with the answer 6x minus 8 over x minus 3, 4x minus 7. Okay, so that should be your final simplified form. However, there's a shortcut to this. So I also want to show you a shortcut. See, once you have factored x squared minus 5x plus 6 as x minus 3 times x minus 2, you see that x minus 3, x minus 2, that's like the common thing, right? So what you do is you use the principle that if you have a fraction, you can multiply whatever you want to top as long as you multiply the same thing on the bottom. And the one that I choose to multiply is x minus 3, x minus 2. Now this simplifies things a lot, because, see, this just has to be distributed, right? Multiplied to each individual ones. And remember, this is the same as x squared minus 5x plus 6. So if you have 2x, x squared minus 5x plus 6, and then you multiply x minus 3, x minus 2, these two are indeed the same, and they're going to cancel. And 4 over x minus 3 times x minus 3, x minus 2, that's what you get on the top, right? On the bottom, you have 1 over x minus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 2, plus 4 times x minus 3 times x minus 2. And then you get this cancellation. These two are going to cancel because they are the same, right? And x minus 3 will cancel because they're the same. And x minus 2 will cancel because they're the same. And then now you can further simplify this as 2x plus 4 times x, 4 times negative 2. So it's 2x plus 4x minus 8. That's what you get on the top. On the bottom, I see that x minus 3 is a common factor, so I'm going to factor that out. And that leaves you with times 1. right? X minus 3 itself is x minus 3 times 1, so 1 is left if you factor that out. And then here you have plus 4 times x minus 2. And then you further simplify and you get 6x minus 8 over x minus 3 times 4x minus 8 plus 1, that's 4x minus 7. So this will require a lot less writing. And furthermore, I actually had to show you this middle step because I wanted to make sure that you understand what I mean. But a lot of times with just a little bit of training, you can see which ones cancel. So you can actually skip this step and just go from here right up to here, and that's much faster. So you'll be able to simplify complex fractions at lightning speed if you do it this way.